Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let us see how we can merge table stock data from different Excel files. So you want to merge tables or data from different Excel files. So let's see that using Power BI. So let me just take you to Power BI. So within Power BI, we'll go to Home tab, then click Get Data, then we'll click Excel Workbook. So we have two files. We have file 1 and file 2. So we'll select file 1 first and click open. Then I will select table 1. Then here we can load or we can transform. When we load, let's try load first. Then again I will go to get data. Then this one again I will choose again file 2. Then I'll click open. Choose table 2, then load data. Fine, when the load data, we are supposed to move from the front end coming to Power Query, but our data here has been directly loaded to Power Query Editor. So we have two queries from different files. So let me just close and apply. We see how we can pick it from the front end. So from the front end, we'll come to Home tab. Then we'll click on transform. We have a command here for transform data. Then transform data again. So this will take the data that we did load into Power BI into Power Query Editor. Then from here now we can merge the queries. Again, we'll just pick we'll select the tables. Then we'll go to merge queries. Then merge queries as new. Then I can pick table 2, can choose table 2. Then again we'll pick a unique identifier from both the tables. Then from down here we can choose either options or other one of the options from the kinds of join. You can choose left outer, right outer, full outer, inner, left anti, and right anti. So let's just choose full outer. Then we'll click OK. Then now we have table 2, but it is condensed, so we need to expand it. Then let me choose just sales and salesperson and sales area. And then from here now you can see how the tables have been merged. So this was full outer join. Then from here now data is ready to be loaded back into Power BI, rather into the front end of Power BI. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you have understood how to merge different tables from different Excel files. So on our next video, we'll be talking about how to merge tables, stock data from different data sources. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.